Hey everyone, Sean here with Zero to Income, and let's jump in here and create an exit pop-up on Clixlo. So we have our Clixlo website and app opened up. We have a funnel, one of the built-in templates opened up, but right over here is our pop-up settings. All right, so when you click on that pop-up settings, it opens up the pop-up window right here. And it's just like editing anything else on a Clixlo website page. You just click on add row and you're going to have all your rows that come up here, and you have all your other elements. Again, same exact things that you're going to experience if you're actually developing something for an actual page. And so now that we've got our row, we can go in here and add an element. You can do, your sub headline, whichever else. This is a pop-up. And then again, same thing you can always do with everything else. We're going to make it bold. And if we click back up here on the pop-up settings, now we got, we can call it whatever we want. Sign up, exit, pop-up, we'll say, right? And then we'll go down here, and this is where you want to say, hey, I want it bigger or smaller. Let's do a small. Let's do full page, see what that looks like. All right, that looks fine. And then from there, we got it right here is on exit. So what that basically means is when somebody goes to exit the site where it looks like maybe they're going to go back, it'll pop up at that point. So if you want to add a form to this now, you would go over here and go to the elements, forms, and drag that over and pop that in and select your form. Again, this is where you would have to have a form already made. So I've got a number of forms already here that we could play around with if we wanted to. Time tamers opt-in, and there you go. There's a form that I've already created. So, and that's going to be there in this pop-up. So let's do this. Clean that up a little bit. This is a form pop-up. How about this? This is just a pop-up, let's say. And let's just do save. And then we'll go and do an eyeball to see what it looks like. So there's our page, and then we go up here and see we had some exit stuff going on, so it did the pop-up for us. So that is how you would add a pop-up form to your Clixlo website. Thanks for watching.